Hi everyone, today we are in Damansara Utama in this two-story terrace house. So this house in Damansara Utama is in the freehold part of Petaling Jaya and it has a land area of 23 by 70. And this two-story house comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So that's on the summary. Now let's go and check out inside. So upon entering the main door, we enter into a very spacious living and dining area. The living area is so spacious that we can comfortably entertain our guests and yet still fit in a piano in the living area. So we look up to the dining hall, and the dining hall is equally spacious as the living hall. The dining hall is so spacious that we can still fit in a 6-seater or 8-seater dining table. And even with a 6-seater dining table, you can still put in a fridge at the corner. So the living room measures 12 feet long and 23 feet wide. And the dining hall 10 feet long and 12 feet wide. And as you probably noticed, this house is a split level up house. That means the living hall is 2 steps higher than the living hall. So from the living hall to the dining hall is about 1 feet up. And if you want a more open plan layout from the living hall to the dining hall, you can remove this barricade to have a 22 feet long living and dining hall. So that leaves for a lot of room and a lot of potential to make over and redesign. And then now in the kitchen here, the measurement is 12 feet long and 9 feet wide. So now we're going to go to the bedroom and the bathroom there. So you see the kitchen is also very cozy, and the entrance from the dining to the kitchen offers its own privacy, because unlike some houses, when you open the main door, straight away you can see the living, dining and kitchen in one view. Here there's a form of separation and privacy between the kitchen and dining. And even the bedroom and bathroom downstairs, and then this is the bathroom downstairs, there's also some privacy away from the dining and living area. So if you have guests, visitors and family members, they can visit and rest comfortably in the bedroom downstairs. The bedroom here on the ground floor has a measurement of 9 by 7 feet. Then here at the back is the backyard or the laundry area or the wet kitchen area. And despite the elevation, there's some privacy and separation between the dry and wet areas of the kitchen. And then the yard area or the wet kitchen here measures 5 feet long and 23 feet wide. And with that, we're going to use AI generated renders. So for comparison, this is what the living hall looks like now and what the living hall can be after an interior design makeover. This is what the dining hall looks like before and after, and then now the kitchen before and after as well. So that's about it for the layout and interior design ideas on the ground floor. So that's downstairs. Now we go upstairs. And then now upstairs here, we're going to look at the layout and the measurements and then what interior design ideas we can explore for the 3 bedrooms upstairs here. We have the master bedroom on my right here, and then the other 2 bedrooms behind me and on my left. So now we're in the master bedroom. On my right here is the master bathroom, and then here this passage here is to the other 2 bedrooms. And then in terms of the layout and the measurement, the master bedroom measured 23 feet wide and 12 feet long. And then this is the master bathroom. In its uniqueness, this house originally comes with a sunken bathtub. And not to miss it, this house also comes with a balcony. And the balcony is a good size for a cup of coffee or wine or to get some fresh air and enjoy the view. Then we go across the hall to the 2nd and 3rd bedroom. Then now we're in the 2nd bedroom. This room, the measurement measures 18 feet long and 10 feet wide. And then these 2 bedrooms share a common bathroom. And finally now we are in the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom measures 12 by 11 feet. So starting in the master bedroom upstairs here, on this end here you have a lot of space to put in the king or queen size bed with a study table. And then on the other end of the master bedroom, by the bathroom, you can put the walk-in wardrobe. You can do an open built-in wardrobe or a covered built-in wardrobe. And then now to the 2 bedroom here. In this room here, you can put in the queen or king size bed or single bed, and then like over here, put in the study table. So Damansara Utama is in an in-demand and hot and popular location in Petaling Jaya. It's surrounded by other mature tamans and neighborhoods, places that we know like Bandar Utama, Damansara Jaya, Damansara Kim, and Taman Tun. And because Damansara Utama is a mature taman and neighborhood, there are already a lot of amenities and infrastructures in place. Places like the Damansara Utama LRT3, Taman Tun MRT, Bandar Utama MRT, and for your grocery, entertainment, business needs, and shopping. There are so many malls around that you're not short of. There's Starling Mall, Atria Shopping Gallery, Centrepoint Bandar Utama, One Utama, IKEA, The Curve, 17 Mall, and 3 Damansara Mall. Then if you're working outside of Damansara Utama, maybe you're working in the KL City Centre, or in Shah Alam, or in Cheras, or in Klang, or in Cyberjaya and Putrajaya, you can take the Sprint Highway, or the LDP, or the NKVE. And with that concludes our home tour with some renovation ideas on how to renovate a 2-story house in Damansara Utama, Petaling Jaya. Now, if you're looking to sell your property in Petaling Jaya, or maybe even buy a property in Petaling Jaya area, you can contact me, Ian Fan. My contact details below. And if you are new to this channel, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in real estate, investing, finance, and home and living. And with that, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.